guys, with a grateful heart, na im stand Nze now don come out to compose this particular write-up as im dey appreciate Kanayo Kanayo, guys. Like, im don come let us know how im journey take start, how Kanayo take pave way for am for this Nollywood industry, how Kanayo take uplift am, like open doors for am, things wey be say Kanayo Kanayo do, both the ones we know, both the ones we no know, guys. Like, im don come appreciate am, like specially because im say if you no do this thing now, say im no know when you go take do am again. Say Kanayo Kanayo na im inspiration like this, right from in time when im take start to dey act movies, guys. So na im wetin Nze come take to social media platform to go post this caption, come post, come talk say Kanayo Kanayo is more than just the Ogwego man, that is ritual man, wey people dey call am as. Know say a lot of people know Kanayo Kanayo for im popular roles wey dey give am for movie. So im come say we all watch